the perception of the beauty industry, unfortunately, is not good. I remember back in the days as a little girl, my father would take us on these wonderful vacations, and he would lie to the tour guide and say that he was a consultant. Because at that point in his life, hairdressers were known as, drug addicts and smokers and partiers and just people who were lost, high school dropouts. It took a long time for the hairdressing industry to become graceful and get on the map. But unfortunately, it's been diluted. And I think Casual Friday had a lot to do with that, to be honest. I think that people got too casual in life and didn't take the craft and the art of hairdressing and dignify it with the right surroundings. I preach all the time in my classroom about how we have to elevate this industry. We have to upgrade the things that we're doing every day and become better. I'm proud to be able to walk in and meet with my banker or with my lawyer or those people now, and they actually take me seriously for the first time in my career simply because I've proved that to them. But I think that's hairdressing's fault. I think it's our fault that we've allowed us to, even though we're always having fun and even though we love what we do, there's a time and a place to have that separation of church and state. And in my salon, even when my own friends come in to get their hair done, they say to me, "Candy, my gosh, you're so different behind the chair than you are at a party." And I say to them, I'm here to do business. I want a return on my investment. And I want to set the stage and the mark and lead by that example. I can't come to work in bedazzled sweatpants and flip-flops with my hair on top of my head, no makeup on, and be an authority of beauty. It's important that we take back our industry and that we really begin one salon at a time to change the course of this. Because for me, you're selling beauty. It would be like going to a dentist with no teeth. It would be like going to the car dealership and the owner of the dealership driving a beat up truck. You must represent our craft everywhere you are and every day you're there. If you want to be $1 million hairdresser, you got to look like one. Let's start there.